Can you vlog with the Insta360 X4? In this video, I take a couple days to actually vlog with this camera, get some hands-on experience, and make a video for you guys. Now, there were some lessons learned during this that I didn't know beforehand. Also, if you check out the pros and cons video from before this video, I'll kind of go more in depth as to what those cons were and how you can fix those. At the end of this video, I do want to share, like, is it doable? Should you use this as maybe a vlog camera, or is this more of like a secondary backup type deal? So anyways, I don't know if you guys are looking to use this specifically as a vlog camera, but I thought this would be a really cool, fun, and interesting video for you guys. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
On to the next one. Oh, it's you. And then it'll actually show you too. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hey. 15, 18, I know, and she's not even trying either. Thank you so much. Hey, that was a good hit. You get points like every time though. She is at 31 points.
I'm just trying to hit the ball in the hole.
I think that was decent. 50 to 47 hit. Ooh, 53.68. I think they knew as well that we would need the bottom one because we would be the ones probably falling in the net if we weren't on the bottom floor. So I think God was definitely in that decision making. Every time. I did better than I expected. I think Sarah did better than I expected, no offense, but I think she did really pretty good today. Sarah's currently running to the car so she doesn't have to drive. What a scrub, what an actual scrub. Hey, lady, hey. Hey, hey. Well, it was a hoot. Top Golf is pretty expensive though. That's the only beef. But I don't know, I hope you guys got some good ideas of like the quality of sound, the quality of video. I shot 8K that whole time. Now I'm currently at 4.75 at 60 frames per second. So I don't know, I'm trying to do different varieties so you guys get a good taste of like what the quality really is. So anyways, you guys can't see right now, but it is 4:30 in the morning.
There's somebody walking in the middle.
We are continuing there is somebody in the road. 4:30 in the morning, we're continuing the vlog with the 360 camera right now. Look at the sunrise. Wow. Alright, just gotta switch to 8K right now. Yeah, I can talk at a normal volume now. I have to pee. I don't see any, quite frankly, porta potties, but there's a giant park over there. What the heck is this? I think this is where they make you feel caged in. I don't know. I just have to pee. Is that? What is that? you donkey. Oh, oh! That was bad. That was okay, okay. Yes, take it. Yes. Ready. Oh, that's perfect. Play it. Oh, look at him. Look at him. Yeah, the spider between the legs. Yeah. Yeah. Wait, hold on. Hold on. I think I can do it. Is that it?
Remember it.
Get it taken. Remember it. Get it taken.
Remember it.
All right, only dunks from here on out, guys. Oh, take it.
Alright, so I hope you guys really enjoyed that video. Honestly, that was a blast to make. I ended up doing it kind of differently. I ended up using Insta360 Studio and then creating the shots that I had wanted, like, you know, zooms and movements and all that. And then what I did was I put it into Premiere and I was able to chop up the pieces that I want, because originally it was like 40 minutes or something like that. So I actually went in and chopped out what I didn't want, kind of like what I would do for a normal vlog. And then also added the music, but I didn't do any color grading, anything like that. All that was straight from the camera. To answer the question, is this gonna be the next vlog camera? I would say not necessarily. I would say probably no. You could get away with it, don't get me wrong. Like, the first vlogging camera that I used was actually a GoPro, so like, it's doable. And it would also give you, this would be way better off than where I started if you were to start vlogging. My suggestion, if you're looking to start vlogging and you have a smartphone, I think something like that would honestly be the best way to go about it. Like right now I'm shooting on my phone, 98%, that's kind of a weird percentage, but I would say the majority of my videos over this past couple years have all been on my phone. And even before that, I've been using my phone. I think that's probably the best and easiest way to go. But if you guys are looking for an additional camera to give you those interesting angles, hands down, this is going to be probably the most dynamic camera for your buck, in my opinion, just because of all the angles that you can get, all the creativity you can use, and yeah, it truly is awesome. And the fact that it is an action camera, like, you know, as a secondary, that's great because it can be durable, waterproof, all that good stuff. So that's my own personal opinion. I do think you can get away with vlogging on this, but I know most of you might not be trying to do that. But I did want to just create this video because I thought it'd be interesting and fun, and actually do like basically an entire vlog shot on the Insta360. If you guys have any questions, comments, anything like that, please drop them down below. Once again, I do have the pros and cons of this as to why maybe you shouldn't buy this camera in the last video, and you'll see like the whole inside scoop of the pros and cons and this and that. So thank you guys so much for clicking. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like the 360 content. I want to do more travel and adventures and things like that, but this is what I have right now. And please let me know what videos you would like to see in the future. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you all so much. Thank you, Dream Team. And if you're new, welcome to the Dream Team. And I will catch you guys in the next adventure.